Hi, I'm PairRec, an adventurer, explorer, nature lover, and owner of the PairRec San Fran Tourism Channel. My goal is to share my passion of over 22 years of discovering the unknown while helping you find your points of interest by way of 4K virtual walking and driving tours. Your 4K virtual walking and driving tour will include wherever your point of interest is located, along with where it's near, to ensure you'll be able to find it when no physical address is available and no signage is visible. Discover where to find restaurants, lodging, shopping, hidden gems, family attractions, along with restrooms, parking, ATM, grocery stores, water faucet, and much more. Some of your 4K walking and driving virtual tours will include text over, voiceover, and sound effects to enhance your viewing experience. Furthermore, you'll see amazing views of the ocean, beaches, and sunsets, the moon rising over the mountains, stunning trails for hiking, cycling, jogging, fabulous architecture such as Victorian homes, historical buildings, eucalyptus trees, fantastic views of the vineyards and wine country, wine tasting, scenic drives along Coastal Highway 1, crystal, cloudy blue skies, the steepest hill in San Fran, parks, and much more. Be sure to subscribe for new content each week and comment below to introduce yourself.